Hello, guys. If you don't have time to have 1,000 followers on the TikTok, then you go live. That's just wasting time. You can go live just faster than that. If you don't have 1,000 followers, there is a trick you can do to go live earlier. So I'm gonna do it fast. You go to on your TikTok page, you press that three line on the top right, then you go to the setting and privacy, then you go to the help center. After that, you press on the support ticket and you write a ticket. But sometimes that doesn't work. You can't write a ticket. You see, you want to write a ticket and the button is not working. You come down on the chat with us. You talk with the TikTok AI and you say, I want to write a ticket. So the TikTok AI gives you a submit link. So you're going to write a ticket there. I want access to live for gaming. And you see the TikTok is going to answer you after 2 days. The problem is you have to have your account more than 7 days, then you can do that. The number of followers, that doesn't matter. You can go live. I can remember I was live with my account with the 50 followers and I did that. The next thing you have to do, you have to install TikTok Live Studio, TikTok Live Studio, and you can use this app to go live with the PC. So there is so much thing about this app I want to explain to you, but I can say it on this video. I'm going to explain everything about TikTok Live Studio on the next video. Peace, guys.